Hello everyone, welcome to SP Global Solution. Today I am going to explain very important topic, that is short and indices part 4. Part 1, part 2, part 3 we already completed. So let us see the question. Here question is what? Find a square root of x, again root of x, again root of x. And here it is not given up to infinity. Sometimes this type of question given up to infinity. But here not up to infinity, only here given a square root of x, then again root of x, then again root of x. So for this type of question, what is the simple technique? So here simple technique is what? When this type of questions come, you can use direct this technique. So what is the technique? This is the number x. So x to the power 2 power n minus 1 divided by 2 to the power n, where n is what? Number of time x repeated. How many time x repeated? And this is what? That is n. So n is what? Number of time x repeated. Just like here you see x repeated how many times? 3 times. That is correct answer will be what? X to the power 2 power 3 minus 1 and divided by 2 power 3. So correct answer is what? 2 power 3 is 8 minus 1 7. So this is x to the power 7 by 8. So this is the ready-made formula for any question which comes in this form. Just we are giving one example. Suppose it is given, find a square root of 7. Again this is given 7. Again this is given 7. And we have to find this equal to 1. So simple technique is what? You see here. Here number is given what? 7. So this is 7 to the power. So our answer is what? 7 to the power. Now this is what? 2. And how many 7? 1, 2, 3. So 2 power 3. And here minus 1. And here again 2 power n, that is 3. So we will get what? 7 to the power 7 by 8. So this number may be any. X is any number, maybe 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, any number. So here correct answer is what? 7 by 8 is our right answer. The next question is what? If 3 to the power x minus 3 to the power x minus 1 equal to 80. Then find the value of x to the power x. So this is a very important question. So for this type of question, again simple technique is what? First you solve this number 3 power x minus 3 to the power x minus 1. So my question is what? 3 to the power x. Here 3 power x minus 1. So we can write 3 power x into 3 power minus 1. And this equal to what? 80. So we know from the rule of shortest indices. So this is the 3x minus 1. So when we are multiplying the same base, then we add the power. So here power x minus 1. So we can write very easily 3 power x into 3 power minus 1. Now here 3 power x and 3 power x, so we can take common. So it is what? 1 minus. 3 power minus 1 is what? 1 upon 3 power 1. That is 1 by 3. And this is 18. Again you know, when we solve this number in bracket 1 minus 1 by 3. So here this is what? 1. So 3 into 1 minus 1, we will get what? That is 2 by 3 equal to what? 18. So 3 power x into 2 by 3 is what? 18. So we can find very easily 3 power x 18 multiply. Here 2 by 3, when this number is multiply. When it comes to the right side, it will become reciprocal. So then 2 by 3 become what? 3 by 2. So this is 2 9 18. So we can write what? 27. And you know 27 is what? 3 power 3. So here base is 3 and here base is 3. So power will be same. So here x and here 3. So value of x is what? 3. Now we need to find x to the power x. So we can find very easily x to the power x, that is 3 power 3. So you know well 3 power 3 means 3 into 3 3 times. That is 27 is our correct answer.